Oh yeah, so the star of the show tonight is the lionfish, without a doubt. I had to try the lionfish, and now I finally got it on my plate. Oh yeah, lionfish, so hot and steamy.
Overseas, somewhere in Belize, blowing sour D's.
Yeehaw! Welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's get oily. Oh yeah, my name is F, but you can call me Oily F. Why? Cause I'm so oily. That's right, the tip of my fingers are always covered with oily juices. Ah yes, oil is the vehicle of flavor in any dish, and that's a fact. I love food from all around the world. I love to travel, and I'm here to try it all. Anyways, I've been traveling throughout Central America with great visions of visiting each country of the subcontinent. I started in Panama City and slowly made my way to the top in San Pedro Belize, where I'm currently at. Belize is a wonderful country, a melting pot of cultures of the Americas. In the next few episodes, we will explore numerous local dishes, but tonight we will dive deep in the ocean and taste some of the freshest seafood you can find, fished hours ago, just a few meters away. Caramba is a famous restaurant over here in San Pedro. You can select your fish and seafood of choice. Then you get to choose the style of cooking. Basically, you get to pimp your own plate without doing any of the hard work. They got a huge selection of exclusive creatures from the sea, but the star of the show and the reason why I came here is the lionfish. Ah yes, the lionfish. Introducing the lionfish. I'm sure some of you have already seen it on TV or in aquariums. A beautiful fish, armed with dorsal fins tipped with venomous spines. Poisonous yet charming like a femme fatale. Well, for starters, its scientific name is Pterois, a genus of venomous marine fish. While there's a few species of lionfish in the world, 15 to be exact, most of them are found in the Indian and Pacific Oceans. 2 species have emerged in the Atlantic, most certainly from the aquarium trade, and became invasive species. That's the common lionfish and the red lionfish. The red lionfish is the most abundant species of the invasive lionfish population in the Atlantic and Caribbean. So it's most likely what we're looking at over here, and what we're about to eat tonight. Oh yeah! So stick around and find out. Oh yeah, let's get oily.
Oh yeah, so we're at Caramba in San Pedro Belize, and this spot is poppin'. Oh yeah, check the selection. All kinds of snappers, and of course the infamous lionfish. Wow, look at that, look at that. So there's a huge lineup. Everybody is in line, everybody's waiting. We all get a little beeper. So I'm number 19, and apparently when my table's ready, it starts beeping, makes a lot of noise, and wow. I'm not used to this kind of service. So anyways, this looks like this is the spot in San Pedro. I do realize I'm going to be spending a lot of money tonight, but that's fine because you're only once here in San Pedro, and I've been chipping out on a lot of food, so it's my time to shine. So we're going to get real nice tonight. It's a special night. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So I just went to the grocery store to buy more beers. I'm not just gonna stand there and wait like a wimp, and I'm not gonna go inside and order more beers and pay quadruple the price. Come on. Yeah, went to the supermarket. I got half an hour. I got time to kill. Oh yeah, techniques of Oily F.
That's amazing. And we open it when it's really steam.
All right, brother. So I'm at table 19.
Okay, excellent.
Oh, so, what's up, my man? What's your name?
Charlie.
Charlie.
Downtown Charlie Brown.
Oh man.
So that's what we got for today, senor.
Hell yeah.
All right.
So you got a whole selection over here.
That's right, amigo.
And I spotted the lionfish. Oh, right. Jesus Christ. So I will take the bigger one.
The bigger one.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Oh, the lionfish. My God. The notorious one. The most poisonous fish. Oh yeah.
All right.
So I see you got some octopus over here.
That's right. There's octopus right here. We got squid, scallops, skunk, mussels.
Okay.
We got a tiger jumbo shrimp.
The tiger jumbo shrimp and the prawns.
And the stone crab claws, ice cream.
Okay. Okay.
That's
so we're gonna start with 2 nice claws of the stone crab. Hell yeah. 2 nice ones. Okay, beautiful.
Anything else in there?
Yeah, so we're gonna take 2 big scallops.
Scallops?
Yeah. Oh yeah. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo.
Anything else, amigo?
And so we got a tiger shrimp and the prawn, huh?
That's right.
So I'm gonna take 1 of each.
One of each. Excellent.
Yeah.
All right.
And what's up with the octopus? Can I get a little piece, or I have to order the whole thing?
Let me see. I can find a small piece here. Let me see. Let me see what I can get you here, buddy.
Maybe a smaller one, because I'm getting a lot of food for myself. But you know,
That's
and I
right.
love octopus.
Okay, senor. I think I've got a smallest one like this size here.
Okay, we'll do that. We'll do that. We'll do that.
Anything else, amigo? You're good?
Oh no, I think we're good. That's
Excellent.
a beautiful platter. Oh yeah. So of course this will cost a fortune, but you know it's worth it. Huh? Hell yeah, my man. Yeah, so it's not every day you're in San Pedro Belize, but hey, you gotta treat yourself every so often.
Eat like a king.
Eat like a king. Eat
That's
like
right.
a king. Woo yeah! Man, look at that platter. So those are the prices,
Those are the
huh?
prices, that's right,
And
senor.
those are Belize dollars,
Belize
huh?
dollars.
So
That's
four.
right.
Oh
And
yeah.
also includes your sides as well, your starch and your salads as well.
Yeah. Okay. So 45 for the lionfish, 35 for the octopus.
15 Belize a piece on the scallops. 30 Belize a piece for the stun crab, and 10 Belize a piece for the jumbo shrimp, and 15 Belize for the
Oh. So I'm gonna be broke tomorrow, but it's all good. Hey, thanks a lot, my man.
You're
Huh?
welcome, my buddy.
Hell yeah.
All right.
All right. Thanks.
Enjoy.
Thanks. Oh yes, so here it is. It will be my first time trying the lionfish. Even scallops. This size, I'm not used to this shit. Octopus had thousands of times. I've made it at least hundreds of times, so I'm definitely not a stranger to octopus. Alright, so the crab will be steamed. Yeah. The lionfish with the garlic butter. And octopus, what's the options?
Octopus, you can do it a little bit spicy with Cajun blackened.
Yeah. Cajun blackened? Okay, I've never tried it that way. That would be an excellent choice. And then you got the prawn and the tiger shrimp.
That we can fry it or grill for you.
Okay, so tell you what, we'll get the big one fried and the smaller one grilled. Yeah. And what about the scallops?
Okay, this guy we can put it spicy with garlic chipotle. Is that okay?
Okay, garlic chipotle. Okay, lots of garlic, lots of chipotle.
The scallops, I put it in the roasted garlic wine sauce.
Okay, sounds good to me, my man.
Okay, you have 2 of them, okay?
Yeah, I got 2. Yeah, hell yeah.
For sides, I got baked potato, French fries, white rice, or rice and beans. Which one would you like, sir?
In Belize, I'll get the rice and beans.
Rice caramba, okay. French fries too, I got garden salad, coleslaw, potato salad, steamed veggies.
Yeah, I'll go with the garden salad. I need to get healthy.
Ay, caramba, alright.
Oh yeah, caramba.
Anything else?
That's it, my man. Oh yeah.
Thank you very much, senor.
Oh yeah. Thank you very much. All right, so the food hasn't come yet, but this came and it looks insane.
A few seconds later.
Oh yeah. Ay caramba. Jesus Christ, look at that, look at that. Oh my God. I don't even know where to look at. Oh shit. Oh fuck, okay. So this is the lionfish, full of garlic, my God. Oh, it has some nice grill marks, and oh, it looks like it has some really nice flesh. So, the lionfish is a very poisonous fish. All the poison is in the dorsal spine, so I see they have been removed. As for the claws, they've been steamed, and that's love. And this is the octopus. So, oh yeah, oh, it's still steaming hot. Oh, and the scallops, oh shit, they shrunk. The tiger shrimp is so small now. That was a tiger shrimp, and this is the prawn. I asked for the prawn to be fried and the tiger shrimp to be grilled. So it got grilled with a nice little sauce. Yeah, this is gonna cost a lot of money for sure. Like, this is gonna be one of the most expensive meals of my whole trip. I mean, just look at this garlic bread over here. Looks insane, top quality. I expect this to be at least $200. We'll see. Oh yeah, so the star of the show tonight is the lionfish, without a doubt. I had to try the lionfish. I've never had lionfish. I've always been a fan of the lionfish ever since I'm a child, and now I finally got it on my plate. So let's give it a shot. Oh my god. Oh, insane. Garlic comes through. The texture of the flesh. Oh, it's a nice mild white fish. Delicate texture. Not too flaky, you know, like a nice good texture. That's insane. Oh yeah, lionfish, still hot and steamy. Oh. Nailed it. It's insane. It's crazy. Oh yeah. Oh my god, it's good. To die for. Oh my god. Now I must try the octopus. I'm an octopus expert after all. Oh shit. It's spicy. Some nice spices. Cajun style. You see, I've had octopus zillions of times, and I've never had it this way. It's actually a first for me. It goes well with octopus. So this is a piece of the head, actually. Oh, that's good. Oh, it's pretty spicy. That's perfect. I wasn't expecting that. Especially not in a restaurant like this. Oh my god. Oh, legs, tentacles. They're tender. Not too tender, but not too chewy either. Because there's a thin line between too tender and too chewy. That's a very thin line. Yeah. And those scallops, oh, they're humongous. Let's give them a shot. Whoa. Oh my god. You right away get that scallop taste. This is nice and tender, nice and stringy. Oh my god, insane! Nice little tiger shrimp. Why the fuck not? That's nice. Nothing I've never had before, but well done. The crab is also pre-broken, so you don't even need to struggle with anything. So I'm gonna dip it in the little garlic sauce. Oh. That's so good. Man, I would only eat seafood if it wasn't that expensive. I put all the other meat on the side, everything else on the side, and just eat seafood for the rest of my life if I could. Wouldn't you?
How are you doing over here, sir? Are you good?
Oh, everything's fantastic.
Thank you, sir.
Outstanding.
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 Thank you.
Yeah, like I said, outstanding. This place, Caramba, is next level. A few meters from the ocean. The catch of the day. I did pretty good, huh? I think so. I don't see anything left but bones and carcasses. The only thing I didn't touch was the rice. I didn't go too deep with the bread either, but I made sure to eat every single thing on my plate. Everything was insane. It was all fire. Now I'm just waiting for my bill, and I'm pretty anxious to know how much it's gonna cost.
Damn, that was good. Usually, I don't do episodes for single sittings like that, but this was exceptional. All that seafood and the lionfish? Come on now. So, the question of the day, was the lionfish the best fish I've ever had? I wouldn't say so. Nothing can compete with the stonefish I had in the Philippines, or the tambaqui I had in Brazil, but it's not a competition. It was amazing, straight up and down. So, the bill was 178 Canadian dollars. That's 128 American dollars. So a bit cheaper than I expected. Still quite a lot, considering I'm a few meters away from the ocean. Also, that does not include the beers. I bought them at the grocery store, just saying. So was it worth it? Hell yeah. Just not every day. I won't make it a habit. I will say this though, this is the most I've ever paid for a meal in a long time. Now, I'll be honest, I was never the type to go to fancy restaurants, even on special occasions. I've been to a few, people would take me out, or I've been at people's birthdays and so on, but it was never my will and my choice. Well, I will if I have to. I'll bite the bullet and see if it tastes better than the food they serve. I was always a firm believer that the best food was often found in some of the most random places, at a reasonable price, where fruit flies dwell and are permanent residents, while the fancy restaurants, on the other hand, which are good of course, are not necessarily better. That's right, you would just pay more for the ambience, the aesthetically appealing presentation of the platter, and for the prestige of being there. Hell, I still think that. Now I know what you guys are gonna say. What about dates? Ha! Well, I saw that one coming. I will, of course. I'm a gentleman at the end of the day, but only for the first few dates or special occasions. So let's imagine this mysterious girl, and if I need to spend money to bring her to a fancy restaurant to conquer her heart, then we're not made for each other. So why am I saying all that? Fancy restaurants are overrated. So my point is, for the same amount of money, I can eat at 10 different restaurants out here in Belize that will be almost just as good. No disrespect to Caramba, but this is a tourist zone, let's not forget. But I do recommend it nevertheless. I would have probably not come here if I didn't see the lionfish on display, visible from the street, but the moment I've seen it, it was over. There was no way I was just gonna walk away. It was my destiny. I was always fascinated by the lionfish, and little did I knew, one day I would be eating one. And I've had a fair share of fish throughout my life, from the North Atlantic to the fresh waters of Burma, to the Amazon rainforest, to the coast of West Africa. I've ventured through quite a lot of fish in my life, but I never got around the lionfish, so it's a nice piece to add to my collection. Anyways, that was that. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. Oh yeah! I sure got oily. So yeah, that was just some seafood. I wouldn't say it was traditional Belizean food. We're gonna get into that in the next episode. Oh yeah, you got that right. The next episode, we will explore the real local cuisine of Belize. Oh yeah! So stay tuned. And subscribe now. Hit the bell notification button. Be sure to comment your thoughts. Be sure to like. And be sure to share. Because sharing is caring. Oh yeah! Let's get oily. Thanks for watching. Peace out.
Overseas, somewhere in Belize, blowing sour D's.